a criminal complaint has been filed with Italian prosecutors by a trade union, stemming from the government's refusal to answer questions regarding alleged hacking incidents. This legal action, taken on Wednesday, is a direct response to the ongoing lack of transparency from the government following revelations in late January. These revelations exposed that at least 7 individuals in Italy, including a migrant activist and investigative journalist Francesco Cancellato, had their mobile phones targeted by an entity utilizing Pegasus spyware software explicitly designed for use against criminals. The Italian government, under Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, vehemently denies any involvement by domestic intelligence services or the government itself in these alleged hacking operations. Meloni's office has consistently maintained this position despite mounting pressure for clarification. The Guardian was the first news outlet to report that Paragon, the Israeli company that developed Pegasus, had terminated its contract with the Italian government. Sources close to the situation indicate that this termination was a direct consequence of a breach of contract by Italy. The contract explicitly forbids the use of Pegasus spyware against journalists or members of civil society, a clause seemingly violated in this case. The complaint highlights the targeting of Luca Casarini, founder of the non-governmental organization UNGO Mediterranea Saving Humans. Casarini, a prominent critic of Italy's alleged complicity in the abuse of migrants in Libya, received a WhatsApp alert notifying him of the spyware attack. His outspoken advocacy for migrant rights and condemnation of Italian government policies place him squarely within the category of individuals explicitly protected under Paragon's contract with Italy. The use of Pegasus against him, therefore, constitutes a clear violation of both the spirit and letter of the agreement. The trade union's legal action underscores the gravity of the situation and the escalating concerns regarding the potential misuse of powerful surveillance technology by governmental entities. The lack of a comprehensive and transparent investigation by the Italian government fuels suspicion and raises serious questions about accountability and the protection of fundamental rights. The silence from official channels, in the face of credible evidence and accusations, has only served to intensify calls for a thorough and independent inquiry into the matter. The use of such sophisticated spyware against journalists and activists is a blatant attack on freedom of speech and the right to dissent, cornerstones of a democratic society. The trade union's complaint represents a crucial step in demanding justice and accountability, pushing for a full investigation, and potentially setting a significant precedent in the ongoing global debate surrounding the ethical and legal implications of state-sponsored surveillance. The international community is watching closely, as the case highlights broader concerns about the potential for abuse of powerful surveillance technologies and the importance of robust safeguards to protect fundamental rights and freedoms. The outcome of this legal action will undoubtedly have significant implications, not only for Italy, but also for other nations grappling with similar issues related to state-sponsored surveillance and the protection of civil liberties. The lack of transparency and the government's refusal to cooperate further exacerbate the situation, underscoring the need for a more comprehensive and accountable approach to the use of such powerful technologies. This case serves as a stark reminder of the need for greater oversight and regulation in the field of spyware technology to prevent future abuses and protect fundamental human rights. The legal battle ahead promises to be protracted and complex, demanding a thorough investigation into the scope and motivations behind the alleged hacks. The international scrutiny this case has attracted underscores the significance of the legal battle and its potential implications for the future of digital privacy and freedom of expression.